three things that really comes to my mind if anyone wants to make it happen in a successful way and also get the most out of this solution is number one, it should be a data-driven approach, which is the core of everything. But number two, what I really feel is important is technology is good, but it's very important to have the right business case and what you want. And the third thing that I think is very important is getting the value as we scale, right? So it's not about just running multiple POCs, but making sure as you deploy a solution, you also get the maximum benefit out of it before going and scaling those solutions everywhere.